Yes, you can earn money with ChatGPT. Here are 3 ways you can use the technology to generate income. Number 1. Content generation services. You can offer content generation services powered by ChatGPT. Businesses and individuals are often looking to save time and resources on writing articles, blog posts. Number 2. Virtual assistant services. You can use ChatGPT to build a virtual assistant that can perform a wide range of tasks for users, such as scheduling appointments, answering questions, and performing actions. Number 3. Data analysis and insights. You can use ChatGPT to analyze large amounts of data and provide valuable insights to businesses. For example, you can use the technology to analyze customer feedback, sales data, and market trends, and sell this information to businesses. Note that these are just a few examples, and the possibilities for earning money with ChatGPT are limited only by your imagination and creativity. Like, subscribe, and share.